Welcome to Cyber-Theo. In today's short tutorial, we're going to explore how you can build your furniture from scratch. Whether you're looking to create a custom piece for your home or simply want to take on a new DIY project, this guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. Planning your project. Decide on the furniture piece. Start by choosing the type of furniture you want to build, such as a table, chair, or bookshelf. Design and measurements. Sketch out your design, including detailed measurements. Consider the space where the furniture will be placed and how it will be used. Gathering materials and tools. Materials. Choose the type of wood, e.g., pine, oak, plywood, and other materials like screws, nails, and finishes. Ensure you have enough materials based on your design. Tools. Essential tools include a saw, hand saw or electric, hammer, drill, measuring tape, sandpaper, and clamps. If you're new to woodworking, consider investing in a quality beginner's tool kit. Cutting and preparing the wood. Measure twice, cut once. Carefully measure and mark your wood before cutting. This ensures accuracy and reduces waste. Cut the wood. Use a saw to cut the wood according to your design. For intricate cuts, consider using a jigsaw. Sanding. Smooth the edges of each piece with sandpaper to prepare them for assembly. Assembling the furniture. Dry fit. Before applying any glue or screws, do a dry fit of all pieces to ensure everything aligns properly. Join the pieces. Use wood glue and screws or nails to assemble the furniture. Clamps can help hold pieces together while the glue dries. Check for stability. Make sure the furniture is stable and all joints are secure. Finishing touches. Sanding again. Once assembled, give the entire piece another sanding to smooth out any rough areas. Staining or painting. Apply your choice of stain, paint, or varnish to protect the wood and achieve the desired finish. Let it dry completely between coats. Final assembly and use. Add hardware. If your furniture requires hinges, handles, or other hardware, attach these as the final step. Test your furniture. Ensure your piece is sturdy and functional. Make any necessary adjustments before use.